What I love about you guys is that you guys entertain.
Lots.
So what I thought we would do is make you a serving tray.
Ooh,
okay.
Fun.
It is super easy to do,
Okay.
and it is very inexpensive.
Oh,
okay. What you're gonna need for this is actually some handles that you would put basically on a cabinet, which is amazing, and a piece of Carrara marble that you can get from the hardware store. First things first, we are gonna put some feet on the bottom.
Okay.
So it doesn't scratch your table. Put in the 4 corners, and then maybe 2 in the middle. Okay. We are going to flip the marble over.
Okay.
Now I have already measured where we want to put the handles and glue them. We are going to use a 2-part epoxy. You just want to put a little bit onto maybe a piece of cardboard here. Just mix it around.
Okay.
You want to put a little bit onto here. That's great.
Okay.
And then where we have marked our dots. And there you go. So I'll let you do that one. This dries in about 5 minutes. So if you place it in the wrong place, you can always go back and fix it.
Oh, that is What do you think? I love it.